You learn email marketing. Email marketing is a valuable skill, and there are numerous resources where you can learn it. Here are some of the best options. Online courses. Coursera offers courses on digital marketing, including email marketing, from top universities and organizations like Google or Meta. Example, Meta Social Media Marketing Professional Certificate. Udemy has affordable, beginner-friendly courses like Email Marketing for Beginners or Advanced Strategies. Example, Email Marketing Essentials. HubSpot Academy, free. HubSpot's free email marketing course covers email strategy, analytics, and automation. Visit HubSpot Academy. LinkedIn Learning offers various video tutorials on email marketing basics and best practices. Skillshare focuses on creative and practical approaches to email campaigns. Blogs and websites. MailChimp, their blog and resources section offers tips and guides on using their platform and email marketing in general. Visit MailChimp Resources. Constant Contact provides free guides, webinars, and blog posts about email marketing strategies. Visit Constant Contact Blog. Monitor offers blog posts and resources for advanced email marketing techniques. Visit Campaign Monitor blog. Books. Email Marketing Rules by Chad S. White. A comprehensive guide to email marketing strategies. Email Persuasion by Ian Brody focuses on creating effective email campaigns to generate leads. Communities and forums. Reddit, subreddits like r/digital_marketing and r/marketing can provide insights. Facebook groups, search for digital marketing or email marketing groups. YouTube channels. Neil Patel offers free tutorials on email marketing strategies. Digital Marketer shares in-depth guides and strategies. Would you like specific recommendations tailored to your experience level or goals?